Hello there, good to see you again. What we're going to do in this video is take a right triangle and find the exact values of all 6 trigonometric functions of theta. So before we do so, let's just remember some basics here. So remember that sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is the adjacent side of the angle over the hypotenuse. Tangent theta is the opposite over the adjacent. So basically singing SOHCAHTOA to ourselves to make sure we remember that. And the other 3 functions are reciprocals, so I'm not going to write those down. We're just going to use those as we go. So the thing to keep in mind here is we need to know the third side of the triangle, which means using Pythagorean theorem since we do have a right triangle. So I'm going to call this side h for hypotenuse, and we know that 21 squared plus 20 squared equals h squared. So we'll find h. So 21 squared is 441, 20 squared is 400, and that means that 841 is equal to h squared. Since h is the length of a side, I am not going to consider the negative solution. The square root of 841 is 29. So that means that the missing side of our triangle is 29, and now we can focus on finding our ratios. So sine of theta is the opposite side from theta, which is 20 over the hypotenuse. So that's 20 over 29. Cosine of theta is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, the length of the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, 21 over 29. Tangent of theta is the opposite divided by the adjacent, so that's 20 over 21. And then from here, it's reciprocals. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so that's 29 over 20. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine, which is 29 over 21. And cotangent, I don't know why that happened there. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, which is 21 over 20. And there are the 6 values of the trigonometric functions of theta.